How to turn on speaker during phone calls on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the phone application on your device over here. As you do that, you can see the list of contacts that you have. Next, what you can do is select on the contact that you want to make a call. So for example, if I want to make a call to this person, all I have to do is just tap on the call option over here. Now as I make a call, the call will be ringing to the other person. Next, what we can do in order to turn on the speaker during the phone calls on Android is you can see different menus over here at the bottom, from keypad to mute to speaker and more. We just have a tap on speaker and we'll be able to toggle on or turn on the speaker during the phone calls on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.